Often I want to sort a list by more than one column. For example, I might ask you to sort this list firstly by supplier, so all my suppliers are nicely sorted, and then within each supplier I'd then like to sort by the category, and then within each category I'd then like to sort by the product name. I can't use these two buttons because they're designed for sorting by a single column. What I have to do is a custom sort. The custom sort button is to the far right of the ribbon under the sort and filter button. When I click the sort and filter button, I can see custom sort. Now I'll be using this quite a bit in the future, so I'm thinking I might add this button to my quick access toolbar. If you right click any button, you can left click add to the quick access toolbar. And when I left click that, I now have an extra button on my quick access toolbar designed to doing custom sorts, that is, sorting by more than one column. To actually use this button, I'm now going to click it, and I'm going to first of all say sort by, not product ID, but by supplier. So I choose supplier in the drop down. So it's going to initially sort by supplier from A to Z. If I went OK at this point, my suppliers are sorted. I can see Dining Delights and Dining Distributors, but within the supplier I haven't got a sort by category. So I'm going back to the custom sort button, and I'm going to hit the add level button. When I click add level, I can sort by supplier and then by a second column. So I'll then sort by category ID. I want to add a third level, so I'm going to hit the add level button again. I want to now sort by product name. This sort is going to sort by supplier, then by category, and then by product name. And if I click OK, my data is now sorted by supplier, Dining Delights. Within Dining Delights, it's sorted by category, Chinese and Gourmet, and then within the category, it's sorted by product name, Alison Mutton and down.